Good morning, students. Today we start our new unit. This is the food, and in this unit, chapter number 9, animals and plants as sources of food. Let's recollect. We have learned about the importance of food to stay alive, to grow, and to get energy. In this chapter, you will learn about plants and animals as the sources of food and culture diversity in food. In this chapter, we discuss about the 3 points: plants and animals as the sources of food. First, we study about the plant as the sources of food. Second one, animal as the sources of food. And last one, culture diversity in food. We eat during different time of the day. We eat food during different time of the day. We also eat different type of food. The two main sources of food are plants and animals. First we discuss food from plants. Different part of the plants are used as food. We start different parts and examples of different type of foods. First we start from vegetables and fruits. All like fruits very much. All students like fruits, but someone likes not vegetable, but vegetable is good for our health. Cabbage, spinach and potato are example of some vegetable that we eat. Apple, banana and mango are example of some fruits that we eat. Vegetable and fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. They protect our body from diseases. So we eat daily fruit and vegetable. Now we come on new examples. Next example, cereals. Wheat, rice and maize are cereals that are rich in carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables are the example. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, and cereals are rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy, and cereals like cornflakes and oats are eaten with milk for breakfast. Now, third example, pulses and lentils. Green grams, peasants, pea, and dals are rich in proteins. Dals are rich in protein. Pulses are rich in proteins. Now, next example, spices and oil. Oil means vegetable oils. Spices, just example of spices: pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, etc. are spices obtained from plants. They all are obtained from plants. Vegetable oil is also obtained from plants like groundnuts, coconuts, mustard, sunflower, etc. It is a medium for cooking food. Now next example, tea and coffee. Half of the chapter, tea time. Tea is prepared from the leaves of tea plants, and coffee is obtained from the beans of the coffee plant. Tea is obtained from the leaves. This is the part of plant, leaves, and coffee is the part of plants of beans. So coffee is obtained from beans and tea is obtained from leaves. Sugar, and sugar is obtained from the stem of sugar cane. Leaves, beans and stem, they all are the part of plant. Nuts, next is nuts. Sugar is obtained from the stem of the sugar cane, and nuts are obtained from plants. Groundnuts, cashew nuts, walnuts, etc. are obtained from plants. Now we come on second topic, food from animals. Animals are great sources of food. First we discuss plant are the sources of food, but animals also the sources of food. First we start from milk. Milk is obtained from animals like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. And second one is egg. We get egg from hen and duck. Third point is meat. Many people eat the flesh of animal like goat and hen. People also eat the seafood like fish, crab, prawn and oyster. Next point is honey. Honey is obtained from beehives. Honey is obtained from beehives where the honeybees store nectars. Now the animals, food from animals is complete. Food from animals examples are milk, egg, meat and honey. Now we come on the next topic, culture diversity in food. People have different food habits. People who eat only plants and plant products are called vegetarian. Second, non-vegetarian. People who eat both plant products and animal products like meats are called non-vegetarians. Understood very well about vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian means people who eat only plants and plant products, and non-vegetarian means eat people who eat both plant products and animal products. But one other difference is there. The type of food a person eat depend on its habit. Second one, custom. Third one, age and the availability of food. So food habits depend on not only vegetarian or non-vegetarian. It's depend on habit also, custom also, age and availability of food of place. For example, we here some examples are there. First, for example, the people of Bengal eat fish and rice. The people of South India eat idli, dosa and sambar. And the people of Punjab eat sarso da saag and makki di roti. While the people of Rajasthan, we all are the people of Rajasthan, and here people likes to eat dal bati churma. Journey of food. Our next and last topic, second last topic is journey of food. How does food from the field reach us? How food from the field reaches? Food crops is grown in the field by farmer, and once the crop is ready, it is harvested and sold to the wholesale dealer, and in the wholesale market called mandi. It means wholesale dealers deal with the farmers and then sell on wholesale market. This is also called mandis. From mandis, the food is bought by the shopkeeper and vendors. We buy food from them. The food is washed, cut, and cooked and eaten by us. So, this type of journey, complete journey, is the food journey. Next, how does food from animal reach us? First, we discuss how does food from the field reach us. This is the plant foods, and now next is the animal food. How does the food from animals reach us? Animals are also a sources of food. First, we discuss about it. Animals are kept in large numbers of farms for milk, egg, meat, etc. Wholesale wholesaler buy eggs, meat, and milk from farms and sell them to shopkeeper. And then after one, We buy egg, milk and meat, etc. from the shopkeeper. And this is the journey of animal food. The food that reaches us involve the efforts of a large number of people, or plant foods or animal foods. Both type of foods complete one journey. Then after one reach at our home. This chapter is complete. Now in our next class we give the question answers. Thank you for watching.